What up, Smart Rapper gang? Today we're talking about 3 ways broke rappers can make money really quickly. I'm going to teach you a little bit about business skills, flipping your money in order to make yourself some money, also building more hardcore fans from people that you may already have that are fans, okay? Now, this is not exactly for the beginner rapper, but if you are a beginner rapper, I want you to watch this video because a time's going to come where you need this information to start making more money for yourself and also have a little bit more business skills to really make more money, keep flipping, and keep growing and have more money to invest in yourself. This is why this is smartrapper.com. I got your back. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. I'm also going to hit you with a word of the day today. All right. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell because I release a new video every day. And don't forget, I got the A&R contact list, every record label A&R. All right, and all the record labels, that's a free contact list you can get below. I'm gonna put the link below for that. Click it, it's yours, just for being on my email list. Let's get into it. You about to get smarter right after the intro. Okay, now these are the things that I'm gonna recommend for you in order to get these in order to flip. Now you may already know this, but we're also going to talk about the business aspect of these things, a little bit more about how it works and how you can make some more money for yourself when you get some money, okay? So here's something, all right? We're going to talk about merchandise, okay? You selling merchandise when you have a fan base, and this is going to be a very valuable video because it's going to show you how much money you can make on certain items, okay? We're just going to talk about the 3 very basic things that people usually will buy from you, and in my experience, they have purchased over and over again that has made me money. I bundle these items, I make money from them, okay? So first and foremost, I want to talk about T-shirts. Okay, now let me tell you why T-shirts are valuable for you to sell to your audience, right? Number one, let's talk about this first, the branding of it, okay, and the hardcore fans. When somebody buys a T-shirt from you, they automatically become more of a hardcore fan. They're then wearing merchandise that you made. They then feel and think about you every time they put that shirt on. That's a big deal. Oh, God. Okay, that's a really big deal. They're also a walking billboard for you. You want as many people wearing your T-shirts as you can get, even if you broke even on selling these T-shirts. You get me? Check it out. Here's the thing. A T-shirt's going to cost you, depending on how many you get, there's a price break. A price break is where you buy X amount and the price goes down. The price breaks at a certain amount that you purchase and when you buy them in bulk. But on a base level, you can get T-shirts made for yourself, even in smaller amounts, for $8 to $10. With a price break, when you buy enough of them, you get them for like $6 each. So let's say you buy T-shirts for $8, okay? Let's say you buy 10 T-shirts for $8, okay? I'm gonna grab a calculator real quick, just so we have it here. You're gonna buy 10 T-shirts for $8. It's gonna be $80. Okay, I didn't need the calculator for that. I was just pulling it up. Right, but you're selling, you're selling these T-shirts for $20. Okay, so you're making $12 a T-shirt. I don't know why the fuck I brought the calculator up. You're making $20 a T-shirt, which means you're profiting $12 per T-shirt. If you had bought 10 T-shirts, you spent $80 on them. You sell them. Okay, you now have $200. You profited $120 off of just 10 T-shirts. Do you see the benefit here? You made $120. That's like 2 days of working a job because you sold 10 T-shirts. Okay, think about if you sold 100 T-shirts, right? You profit $1,200. All right, that's a lot of money. Like that's a lot of money to somebody when all you had to do was buy the inventory and then they sold. Now here's some tips I'm gonna give you on T-shirts, okay? When you're gonna sell T-shirts, you don't just buy a T-shirt with like a logo on it and expect it to sell. What you do is you make 3 to 5 different T-shirt mock-ups. A mock-up is like an example of what a T-shirt's gonna look like when it gets sold, okay? So like what's it gonna look like on the T-shirt? It's just a picture of it with the logo, and that's what's gonna look like. That's what's gonna sell to people. What you do is you make 3 to 5 of those, and you post that on your Facebook or on your Twitter or on your Instagram. You ask your fans, you ask any of your fans or even your family, say, hey, which ones of these T-shirt options, in your opinion, do you like the most? Okay, and what this does even for people who aren't going to buy from you, their opinion helps you decide which one's the best one to put your money into. Okay, this is called market research. This is how you don't waste your money. If you buy the wrong one, nobody buys it. But if you have people tell you this is the one that's the best, okay, well now you know. It's like choosing your music single. You choose the wrong single, you're marketing it, you're wasting your time. But if a whole bunch of friends tell you this is the dope one, oh okay, I'm gonna market this one. It's common sense, right? So that's what you do. You do the mock-ups, you ask people, it's free, and plus they want to give their opinion because everybody feels like their opinion matters. So they're gonna give you their opinion and you're gonna choose that T-shirt. You're then just gonna spend $80 to $100 buying 10 of these T-shirts. You're gonna have them in hand, and you can then autograph them, give away a CD with it, or bundle it, and you're gonna sell that to your audience. It's just 10 t-shirts. You start off with just 10, you spend 80 to 100 bucks, you can get that money probably in the next 2 weeks, buy the t-shirts and flip them and make more money. Probably over the course of a month, you can potentially sell 10 t-shirts if you have like a very small fan base.
Wow.
Okay, now there's other options for selling t-shirts. You don't actually have to put the money up front for the t-shirts. You can use something like Teespring, T-E-E, spring, okay, .com, and what they'll do is you can design the t-shirt on the site, put it on the site, and then just put the link to the t-shirt on your pages, and if somebody buys it, you get paid. But generally, you have to sell at least 5 t-shirts inside of a certain time frame, and they'll handle the shipping, they'll handle the creation, but they take more of a cut. They take more of the money, which is cool, but you're not gonna profit as much, but you didn't have to take the burden of the inventory. Okay, so there's 2 options for you for selling t-shirts. And that's a really good option, especially if you can sell a lot of t-shirts. Like people make a lot of money doing Teespring campaigns. Okay, it's like it's a thriving business. I'm even going to be doing Teespring campaigns in the future. Not gonna lie to you, like I'll start making t-shirts, and but like I'm gonna have like I've been wanting to do like t-shirt a day or t-shirt a week, and I wear it for a bunch of episodes, and then I have it. It was really cool, and then you guys could get it, support the channel, but also get a cool t-shirt. Like I'm gonna use Teespring probably in the very near future. So those are options for you, okay? Me personally, if you want to know what happened in the past, I purchased 300 t-shirts, all right? That was a big mistake. I didn't need 300 t-shirts. I sold around 160 of them, but then I was left with 140 t-shirts that they cost me $6 a piece when I had the price break at 300. So I spent $1,800 on t-shirts, which was all my money. I was gonna flip my money, and then I sold that many t-shirts. You see what I'm saying though? But like it's business. It's how you learn it. That's why I'm teaching you guys. So you become smarter rappers. Let's move on to other types of stuff that you can sell to your fans and make some money. Number 2 is gonna be wristbands. Okay, wristbands are great because wristbands, and I actually, do I have any in here? I got a bunch of them. But people love wearing wristbands because it also represents your brand, and they're walking around with it on the wrist, and having accessorizing with wristbands, it also makes somebody really stand out. If you don't know much about accessorizing, I'll make some videos on like accessories, jewelry, stuff like that, because all this stuff helps. I mean I got this shit right here, silver, the wristbands. Like there's a massive difference. Like, actually, let me show you real quick the difference in accessorizing. Right now, I'm not wearing anything, just wearing tattoos and a shirt. But if I go ahead and I put this on, and then I put this ring on, and I put this bracelet on, or I put this chain on, right? Check it out. Right? So just for instance, right? Now, and put it on, right? But now I'm accessorized, okay? Now I have a ring, I have 2 bracelets, and I have a chain on, and my whole look changes. And now I'll change it back for you, right? Without it. Accessorizing is key in fashion, and women especially realize this. That's why they wear rings, bracelets. And when you understand how to accessorize, you'll be good to go. You can wear your own bracelets and sell them. The good thing about these bracelets is if you let people know, look, it's gonna help you accessorize, but at the same time, you're representing the brand, you're helping me out. These wristbands only cost you 20 to 50 cents each. And you can sell them for $2 to $5 each, or you can even sell 5 for $5. Okay, you're making money. You make 80 cents on each one. Like that adds up though. If you have a fan, like, hey, can you help? Don't buy a t-shirt if you can't afford a t-shirt. But here, can you please buy me a wristband? Can you please buy a wristband from me? It's only $2, right? You're gonna make $1.80 off of each person that buys it. You tell me you can't get people to spend $2? Right? These little things add up though. You're making money off of all this stuff, okay? Like, this is business. This is how you make money. And just having them available is gonna allow you to make money. Plus, it's a very small investment because for like $50, you can get a lot of these fucking things made, okay? Like, you can get like 100, you can get like 100 of these things made for like $50 or maybe even more, 150, 200. Like, they're fairly cheap. They're durable. They're just little plastic bracelets, and they'll have your logo or whatever you want it to say on it. That's money. Lastly, I gotta talk about this because this is huge, especially if you're a hip hop artist. You can sell hats, and you can wear your own hats on a regular basis. You can also wear your own t-shirts and wristbands. I often do. But the thing is this, is that the hat, it costs like $8 to $12, and you could sell it for $25 to $30. So there's a higher margin on the profit for you to be able to make more money from the hats as well. What I'd like to say at the end of this is that you can bundle everything together, t-shirt, hat, 2 bracelets, and you sell it for like, you know, for $40 or whatever, and you're making money, and people are like, oh, I'm getting a deal, right? It's perceived value. Like, this is how you make money from your fans. There's also a lot of other things you can sell. You can sell pens, notebooks, you can sell anything, and if people are a fan and they want to support you, they'll buy it, okay? You can even bundle different t-shirts as well and stuff like that. And that's how you freaking do it. That's how you make money. Let's go ahead and get into word of the day. But first, hit me with a like. Word of the day time.
Logomachy.
Today's word is logomachy. Logomachy, bro. It's a noun.
Logomachy.
This is actually solid for like what we're doing right now, because it has to do with a dispute over or about words, okay, or a controversy marked by verbiage. So here's the thing, right? Let me go over here, let me go over here, move over here. Okay, so a dispute over the meaning of words, a conflict waged only as a battle of words, a dispute carried on in words only, a battle of words. Now let me see this in a sentence.
Not being able to decide on the correct definition for the word inevitable. The two engaged in a classic logomachy.
So this is awesome, right? So if people can't agree on the meaning of the definition of a word, which could happen often, and when you're trying to use new words of the day that we talk about, you may often get into a logomachy over a word. So if somebody's like, that's not the word, that's not what that means, you are then in a logomachy about a word. So if you're disagreeing on it, that's a logomachy. That's pretty cool, actually, because I can see that. Actually, I damn near had a logomachy yesterday with somebody. That's interesting. That's a good word, logomachy. Let me do it again on the thing so you guys can hear it.
Logomachy.
Logomachy. That's a good word. You just became a smarter rapper. Hit me with your 4 bars of the day and try to use logomachy if you can. All right? It's a really solid word, logomachy. And then hit me with a like. Hit me with the subscribe, hit the little bell when you hit that subscribe button, because it's going to notify you every time I release a new video, so you can become part of the smart rapper gang, the notification gang over here, and see these videos every day where I'm teaching you and helping you become a smarter and more efficient rapper to get further faster. All of these things. I am Rob Level. Go ahead and check out these other videos I got here, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow with another video as always. So much going on. Don't forget, I have the A&R contacts list below for you. It's every single record label's A&R contact, their emails and the record labels, addresses, and everything like that. And that's just valuable to have, and it's 100% free just for signing up to my email list. All right, I appreciate and respect y'all. Keep hustling. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow with another video. Check these out, and don't forget to subscribe.